Hi lovelies, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and if you have, thank you very much. Today I'm just doing another protective style for school. I'll be using a rubber band, black and red, and this is matches her uniform. I will also apply cream of nature argan oil. This hair has been washed and blow dry, then I just did an African threading just to stretch the hair. So keep watching, hopefully you love it.
The hell, how did Sabrina's hair get thick?
We're doing something nice to the hair, that's why.
Really, your hair's been thick like sashes.
So guys, I'm sectioning the hair into 4 parts to create the style I'm looking to do right now. Yeah, so I'm done this section, so I'm gonna do this section as well, but this is how it looks like so far. I love it, very nice. Yeah.
Merlin, look that direction. Look
I
that
was
direction.
young, I was petrified. I didn't know how to live without you by my side.
Stop.
What do you mean stop? You were singing, so now it's my turn to sing, innit?
Yeah, but I was thinking something useful.
That was beautiful. When the lights go down, I go higher, something like that.
Do a little brush thing. Remember, that's enough gel. How much gel are you trying to?
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not putting a lot, guys. I'm not. I don't even know why you guys are behaving like mommy's putting so much. No.
People are going to be like, why is she using the back of a brush for? And the back of a comb for? Yes, we're using the back of a comb.
So at the back, I'm going to do the crisscross, but within the 2 lines. With this one, I did cut a line in the middle, but this time around, I'm not doing that. So I'll just be doing that and that. So it's done, guys. I finished, but I just want to make my bun to be a bit cooler and puffy, and I'm using my Expression extension. Okay guys, it's done, and the protective style looks so nice, pretty. I love it. Or Marilyn also, she loves it. And if you too loved it, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.
And also share this video. Bye. Peace.